Foldable keyboards are the ultimate solution for anyone who needs portability without compromising productivity. In 2025, these sleek tools redefine versatility, combining cutting-edge design with seamless functionality. Whether you're a traveler, a remote worker, or just love tech that saves space, these foldable keyboards will elevate your typing experience. All the products mentioned in this video are listed in the description below. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net. At number 5, we have the SIKAI Case Mini Foldable Keyboard. Equipped with an American Broadcom chip, this 60-key ergonomic keyboard provides smooth and responsive typing, making it an excellent choice for students or professionals on the go. Its matte finish touch buttons ensure a comfortable feel, while the horizontal fold design makes it easy to carry and store. This mini keyboard features a hidden magnetic bracket for devices up to 11 inches and offers seamless compatibility with iOS, Android, Windows, macOS, and HMS. Connect via fast Bluetooth and switch between devices with a single touch for effortless multitasking. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery delivers up to 45 hours of continuous typing on a 2-hour charge or an impressive 90-day standby time. Its energy-saving mode automatically activates after 10 minutes of inactivity, extending battery life. The lightweight design, just 250 grams, and folded dimensions allow it to fit easily into a jacket pocket, handbag, or travel bag, making it perfect for work, travel, or leisure. You can buy this at $55 on Amazon. At number 4, we have the Seenda Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. What sets this keyboard apart is its integrated touchpad, allowing you to perform mouse operations and gesture controls directly on the keyboard. It's an excellent productivity booster, although the touchpad is only compatible with devices running iOS 13 or later. Dual Bluetooth 5.1 channels allow quick switching between two devices. It's compatible with Mac, iPad, iPhone, Android, Windows PCs, laptops, and tablets. Powered by a 140 mAh rechargeable battery, the keyboard offers an impressive 3 months of standby time on a single charge. It includes an auto sleep mode after 30 minutes of inactivity and an on-off switch to save power. Constructed with an aluminum alloy frame and PU leather back shell, this keyboard is durable and stylish. Its magnetic folding design ensures secure portability, while low-profile scissor switch keys offer a quiet and comfortable typing experience. You can buy this keyboard at a budget-friendly price of $34 on Amazon. Now, at number 3, we have the iClever BK08 Foldable Keyboard. Weighing just 0.48 pounds and measuring when folded, it's as portable as an iPhone and perfect for travel or work on the go. The keyboard includes Boost Type's touchpad for mouse functionality and a built-in smartphone stand for effortless multitasking and support. Built with a scissor key mechanism, this keyboard enhances typing feedback, stability, and comfort. The optimized key travel, combined with anti-slip tapes, ensures precise and quiet typing, ideal for long work sessions in shared spaces. Powered by a built-in lithium battery, the keyboard supports over 30 days of use on a full charge, ensuring reliability during long trips or extended usage. The keyboard's matte aluminum frame adds durability and style, featuring anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint properties for a sleek and long-lasting finish. You can buy this at $52 on Amazon. At number 2, we have the Samsers Foldable Keyboard. Let's start with the design. When unfolded, it's a full-size keyboard, so you'll get the familiar feel of standard keys for comfortable and efficient typing. It even comes with a numeric keypad, making data entry and calculations a breeze. And paired with its ergonomic foldable mouse, you're set for productivity wherever you go. Now, the connectivity. You can pair it with up to 3 devices simultaneously. Switching between devices is seamless, and it's compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Plus, it's built to travel. The entire set, including the keyboard, mouse, phone holder, and charging cable, fits neatly into a stylish, lightweight case that weighs only 21 ounces. This makes it the ultimate portable productivity solution. Battery life is another win. With a 180mm battery, you'll get up to 120 days of standby time. And the silent scissor switch keys ensure you can type quietly without disturbing those around you. The current price of this keyboard is $74 on Amazon. At the top spot, we have the ProtoArc Foldable Keyboard, a powerhouse of functionality and portability. Let's start with the design. This compact yet full-size keyboard comes with 105 keys, including 12 handy shortcuts and a number pad. Plus, it's optimized for seamless compatibility with both Windows and macOS, Now, the connectivity. This keyboard and mouse combo lets you connect to up to 3 devices simultaneously using 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth. It's also compatible with a wide range of operating systems, from Android to iPad OS. The portability is unmatched. It comes with a hard-carrying case that protects the set without taking up much space in your bag. And the included collapsible stand holds devices from 4 to 11 inches. Perfect for creating a mobile workspace wherever you go. Performance-wise, the quiet scissor switch keys and low-profile design ensure a smooth, silent typing experience, while the mouse offers adjustable DPI settings for precision and control. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 150 days of keyboard standby time. The current price of this keyboard is $79 on Amazon. With its ergonomic design and portability, this keyboard is a game-changer for professionals on the move. If you're interested in any of these keyboards, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.